Are you struggling to lose weight? Stress might be the culprit. Let's explore the pros and cons of stress on your weight loss journey. When you're stressed, your body releases cortisol, a hormone that can cause weight gain. The increased cortisol levels can cause cravings for unhealthy foods. Stress can also disrupt your sleep patterns, which can impact your weight loss efforts. When we're sleep deprived, we're more likely to make poor food choices and overeat. On the flip side, stress can actually suppress your appetite and can cause unintentional weight loss. However, chronic stress can lead to emotional eating, making it harder to stick to a healthy eating plan. Stress can also cause your body to hold on to fat, especially around the midsection. Additionally, stress can decrease the efficiency of your digestive system, leading to bloating and discomfort. High stress levels can increase your risk of developing metabolic disorders like diabetes and obesity. Additionally, stress can lead to feelings of exhaustion and low energy levels. This makes it hard to stay motivated to exercise, leading to a decline in physical activity. Stress can also affect your mindset and motivation, causing you to lose focus on your weight loss goals. On the positive side, exercise can help reduce stress levels and boost your mood, increasing energy levels. Managing stress through techniques like meditation, yoga, and deep breathing can support your weight loss journey. Surrounding yourself with a supportive network of friends and family can also help alleviate stress. Remember to prioritize self-care to reduce stress and maintain a healthy weight. Keep in mind that everyone's weight loss journey is unique, and what works for one person may not work for another. And everyone's relationship with stress is different. What might stress one person out may not affect another. Remember, weight loss is more than just a number on the scale. It's about adopting a healthy lifestyle. Experiment with different stress management techniques to find what works best for you. Ultimately, finding a balance between managing stress and maintaining a healthy lifestyle is essential for successful weight loss. Don't let stress sabotage your weight loss goals. Take control and find balance in your life. Is stress playing a role in your weight loss journey? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips.